Guys, good morning. Time check. It's currently 9. Ayan guys, 9:26 na, and as you can see na i-export ko na ito guys. So ayan siya guys. Ito pala yung vlog ko na Get Ready With Me guys. Sana panoorin niyo ito guys. Maybe ma-upload ko na ito because guys, depende lang sa wifi here guys. Kasi tinutupak yung wifi here guys. Minsan malakas ang connection, minsan naman sobrang hina guys. So ayan, kailangan talagang magtsatsaga guys. So ako guys, I'm not feeling well ngayon guys. So nagtsatsaga muna ako, nagpo-post or nagva-vlog ako kahit I'm not feeling well. Kasi guys, pagbutihan ko lang ang pagbablog ko at umaasa ko guys na balang araw ay magkakakita na ako sa pagbablog ko with your support guys. Bye guys! Yun lang muna sa ngayon. Bye. Thanks for watching more.